Shalom, Hanukkah Sameach. Rabbi Nachman asks, what do the people do in the world to come? And he answers, they spend the day singing praises to God. And that is the essence of Hanukkah, gratitude, showing gratitude. So today we're going to do something a little different. I've written a poem to send to my father. He's about 7,000 miles away. He's in a hospital. He's not doing too good. So I wanted to send him this poem, and I hope all of you can appreciate it as well. Dad gave us the love of the universal life force. He gave us a love of knowledge, a love of the sea, a love of museums, a love of classical music, a love of sciences, a love of fresh grilled fish, a love of business, a love for the oppressed and the underprivileged, a love of mountains, snow trees, and ski slopes, coral reefs, and Florida's lakes and rivers. Dad gave us things we didn't know we would need someday. The tenacity to succeed, to fight for the right. To push onward through difficulty, to never let others over-influence decisions, even when he was the chief influencer. Dad stressed the importance of education above all stresses. He understood what I, as a rebellious youth, could not see. That success and failure depend on a man helping God make his work easier, as I did not with you. Whether washing the boat or gutting the fish, turning off the TV and doing homework, pushing through college after college for that sacrosanct piece of paper, I did not make it easier for Dad. He understood us without being able to put it into words. But more importantly, he understood how suffering can break a man. The loss of a woman or a job can lead one to the homeless shelter. Dad believed in the Renaissance man, to have a hand in all wisdoms, to excel, to give our best, to forgive the wrong, and see the good. And even as the world became too dark for him to see, the times he knew were long gone. And a new generation replaced the old like linens in an assisted living home, with senior menus for the evening meal. Today, Dad, it is hard to see you suffer this final chapter. And I prefer the memory of your stance at the helm of your boat, fighting the waves with wheel in one hand and the throttle in the other, the thunderstorm bearing down, trying to make it to the inlet before the tide on the last journey home.